Right. Okay. So chapter six, pretty much teaches you to leverage Java's built-in API instead of reinventing the wheel. Using classes like ArrayList from Java.util to avoid writing custom code for common tasks. You build this out hands-on by developing a full Sync a Startup Battleship style game, covering topics like enhanced for loops and casting primitives along the way. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with here. That's pretty much chapter six.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're gonna do array list magnet.
Yes.
So within the array list magnet class, we are creating an array list that will store string values. So using array list string a equals to new array list string. So we also add the elements at specific index position. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Then we'll display the current contents of the array list using print list a. So basically we'll output 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it will check if the list contains 3. And if found, it will add 4 to the end of the list. So it will say with using a add 4. Then we'll remove the element at the index 2 with a remove 2. Then we'll display the updated list. So it will output 0, 1, 3, 4. Then it will check the index of 4. If it is not at index 4, insert 4.2 at the index 4. It will display the updated list. Output will be 0, 1, 3, 4, 4.2. Then we'll check whether the 2 still exists in the list. So if it contains 2, then this code will not execute because 2 was removed earlier.
Yeah.
It will display the final contents of the list. So now
Yeah.
we're going to James.
So then, yeah, on the public static void print list, I've got the method to print every element in the array list.
Yeah.
They've enhanced for loop to go through each element with the for string element list,
Yeah.
system out print element, and then yeah, they've got moved to the next line after printing all the elements with the system dot out dot print in, and then when you run the file, it shows run, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 4, 0, 1, 3, 4, and then 4.2, 0, 1, 3, 4, and then 4.2, and it shows it build successful. So yeah, that's chapter 6.
Yeah. No problem, man.